You might be comfortable at home. This tragedy may not have shown up at your door, but empathy and humanity, as you are affected by everything that everybody...
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox.
People, you know things set in a year, man. So we say, yo, Tyrese. Yeah, man, you don't know. Tyrese, they are Jamaica boss, just land, you understand? Yeah, man. Boss land, man, you see it? Yeah, man, him forward to come contribute. You know, some generator and something, and, you know, couple thing, and, you know, baseman Paul Walker, you don't know, Fast and the Furious. Yeah, man, them have a foundation, you know, where them donate to different, you know, people into the world, and, you know, yeah, you see. But me I play that clip and I make you see what I go on. You see it? Yeah, man, me I play that clip, man.
So sorry this happened. We are here to try and help in any way we can. Use us, God. You might be comfortable at home. This tragedy may not have shown up at your door, but empathy and humanity, as you are affected by everything that everybody is feeling, is what affects them. Go as far as you can. We want to fill up the warehouse in Miami. We want to pull up the cargo plane and bring as many resources as we can to the people of Jamaica. Thank you.
Amen, 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 yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, man, people. So, basically, yeah, man, it's a good look. I rate all the people them out there in the world, you know, the celebrity them and everybody are donate to Jamaica in this time. It's a good look, and Jamaica is just a heart, you know, it's just a small little island, not everybody heart across the world. It's a good look, people. You understand? And you don't know, him and Paul Walker Foundation, you see me, donate some stuff, and, you know, it's a good look. I rate this. You see it, and you don't know him dip on him knees and him a bow and thing, and because I'm tell you, you know, Jamaica is the, you understand, is a part of the, is like the heart of motherland where you don't know, you know, black people from Africa and them little thing there. So it's like Jamaica just have that energy, that spirit there. You understand? Is a little island where have its heart in everybody. Remember, you know, enough people out there in the world left Jamaica and out there, you know, but them just love Jamaica. Yeah, this. You understand? Yeah, man, yeah, this, man. You see it? But I think me see a clip like when the generator go in, you see it? Yeah, I pack up the generator. See what I go on?
We need to get these generators to the people of Jamaica. Look at all of these planes piled up. Private plane owners of Fort Lauderdale. We need 2 500-pound generators to be delivered to the people of Jamaica. We have reached our capacity weight-wise. People need electricity. They need to be able to cook. They need power for their kids in the house. They need air conditioning. Look at all these planes. I'm about to go walk up on somebody's jet.
Yes, people. So basically, you know, they might try fire up the jet and thing, you know. Maybe they might try test which one of the jet them can hold the weight of the generator them. You understand? Yeah. So they maybe just test the aircraft, the jet them to see which one can manage it. You understand? It's a good look. Generator would do well right now. You don't know, the people them need electricity, and, you know, so them can communicate with whatsoever help them have, you know, any difficult situation, you know, power up them some lights or phone, or, you know, because you don't know, we need the phone to make some communication and thing. You understand? Yeah, man, you know, a thing set, man. But it's a good look. You see me, I'm big up Tyrese alongside, you don't know, Paul Walker Foundation, you don't know, RIP from Fast and the Furious. Yeah, man, I know a thing set, man. Is it? So it's a good look, people. I just rate everybody in the world where, yo, me I tell you, people out, when I see a lot of people, them really love Jamaica. You see me, Jamaica in them heart. Me I tell you, you might not hear them talk about Jamaica every day, but when something happen, yeah, man, them a go dead, man, people. You understand me? I tell you that them a go there. You see it? So big up to Tyrese. You see it? Yeah, man, big actor, man. You don't know a thing set, you know. And there's a lot more to come, you know, a lot more to forward. Maybe other people out there just a wait, you know, them get the time for, you know, to Jamaica and everything. But people, I see a thing in the media, I can't, when I see it, I say, yo. So I say, bounty killer, see, post of a thing, and I have to shame, man. So basically, man put up a post and say, yo, holy Sabbath to y'all, but this is really off life that we have to deal with going forward. The work hasn't even started as yet, people. It's many more thousands of bus loads, car loads, truck loads, plane loads, and even bank loads. It's gonna take a time to rebuild Jamaica. God to bless. What? God to bless PM. So basically, I say, yo, ask God to bless Andrew Holness. He's the Prime Minister. Let's all pray for him, Andrew, because his job won't be as easy at all. His 2 term back to back with pandemic and disaster. Him got at least for for the next 5 years we will still rebuild Jamaica. So after a few posts is like clicks and comments, we shall see who is really with. It's the first phase. This we just getting started. Jamaica, we're all in this thing together. Jano. Gun Godzilla. Jano. Well, I kind of shock when I see that post of people because I know say, you know, I know say them man ya. But I know say them man real do the already. I see my burn out Andrew, so I don't know what going on so still, but we don't know Bounty Killer, you know, he's a hypocritical brother, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man. Him you can't really study him because my thing say, yo, brother, you can't, yeah, better you say, yo, Prime Minister and the people, bro. You can't, remember say people out there, you gotta say, remember say people are help people, you know. You understand? So, when you gotta say, pray for the Prime Minister, like, bro, Andrew alone can't do this, you know. It need the people of Jamaica too, you know, bro. You understand? So, if you say prayer, bro, you have to say for everybody, brother. Because we build the country. And not Andrew Holness alone. We build it, brother. Remember, say at the end of the day, Andrew have to employ we, you know. You understand? So, when you are going to say, yo, pray for Andrew Holness, I understand in a bounty, bro. I understand, say, yo, you usually burn them out, and then when them go no awards and every little thing. So, I kind of see the sympathy of people. I saw it going, you know. You see when a lot of people are call out Andrew Zine, and you don't know, some people are go, you know, come out in a sympathy way and say, yo, loud man, and this and that. You are going to have a side when one side a beat and a call out, and you have a side where you go play the sympathy thing and say, yo, loud man. So, me see what Bounty a do. He maybe see what go on at me, everybody a burn him out, and him just a say, yo, pray for him, man. But Bounty, you have to pray for the people, them, bro. Seeing? You have to play. Remember, you know, bro, Andrew, I do a small amount of things. Imagine people. Imagine if no artist now donate. Nobody now donate in the world. And it leave up to the government. Remember, say him get a ban, you know, 24 billion, you know. Seeing? And it leave up to the government. At this time, what do you think would happen? Right now, if them the people like the artists, them and the regular people and the business people, them, Zine, suppose, remember, you know, them are the government responsible for the people of the country, you know. Remember, say we pay them for serve, we. You understand? So, enough of them people, enough of them thing were going and doing it, no obligated for do all these things. So, picture if a Andrew alone do it, what would have happened? Enough of them people wouldn't get aid, wouldn't get served. Enough of them things. So, you have to pray for the people them too, bro. You understand? Because them really do a lot, especially the artists them. The artists them do a lot for the people them of the country, brother. Them never did have to do it, you know. Or them heart where them have. You have people over there, overseas, the diaspora, where maybe them have all them rent for pay and them just say, yo, man, I take out one little 5 bills and pack one barrel and send down You understand? So you have to pray for the people them too, brother, and not Andrew only alone, bro. Just say yo, pray for the government and the people them. Cause of the government I do basically 80% of the work right now. Because remember, you know, the people them are clean the road them too. The people them are donate. This whatsoever the company them in a Jamaica is the people them same way. You understand? So are the people of the country, bro. I do the major work right now. So you have to pray for the people. Pray for the people them so when them can get to work safe, come back home, so them can get money and donate, bro. Cause remember, you know, bro. Let me tell you this, brother. Remember, say, are the people them a pay Andrew Holness them. I people are pay them. If we no pay tax, them no get no pay. A people, let me tell you this. I people of the country and make the country run, you know. Remember, say, we pay tax, we pay teachers, some my doctor them, the nurse them, the firefighter them, all of these people are the people pay and Andrew. So when you are forward out, bro, say the people, and when you go say Andrew, brother, come on, bro, Andrew need the people right now. Adapt me like if the regular people them and the business owner them and all of them something they never did a donate, it would have worse. Enough of them people would have maybe dropped down dead boof. You understand me? I tell you that. So, bro, if anybody need prayer, everybody need prayer, bro. And Andrew Holness alone. You see me? I know I'm kind of see up here like a sympathy card, bro. But pray for the people them too, man. You see me? The people in Jamaica need praying, bro. You see it? So when you go say, I know Andrew Holness alone need prayer, brother. You understand? Andrew Holness and the people them. Yeah, because Andrew Holness are the man we send out the orders and every little thing. But at the end of the day, are the people are put money in Andrew pocket. You understand? For run the country. You understand? Remember, say I work for the people them, you know. I work for the people them. You understand? And him a do him job. You see it? But him alone can't do it. So anybody forget the prayer at the number one. The first people them for pray for right now is the people of the country. You understand? You might have the vile one, them, the poor one, them, the rich one, them. At the end of the day, are the people them a build the country, brother. You understand? A people build country. Anyway you take it, because we are pay the tax. We are the boss of the country, you know. You understand? We are the boss. Because if everybody come in one day in a Jamaica and say, yo, nobody now work, we not pay no tax today. A problem. You understand? Not just that we follow by rules and, you know, certain little things and, you know, that's why the government can just rule over, and because we have to follow the laws. And those laws. Because right now in Jamaica, a lot of the politicians them get with a lot of things. But we as people can't get with a lot of things. You understand? We can't get with. Although we are pay them. Them set the laws. You see me? So, you have to pray for the people them, brother. Yo, may I tell you people, may I tell you this. People are do a lot for the country right now when it comes to donation. In a Jamaica, yeah. May I tell you some people, when I say, yo, them not even famous, but them a go to them way, I do it. Some people have some little savings, buy them little thing, and you understand? All of if a person usually live in a St. Elizabeth and live at Kingston now, them just save up them little money. You understand? Save up them little money right now. Yeah. And go down there and do right now, me even line up something to make sure I say, yo, Christmas, we can, you know, give back a little thing. Me just round up every little thing. You understand? Because me have people in a sainty. You see it, the damage. Bad. You see me? So me I gather up something for know say, alright, boom, ship down. See? Yeah, man. So big respect and prayers to the people them. You understand? And prayers to the Prime Minister, to everybody forget praying. Because I know one man do things. You understand? It's a group. The people and the government of the country run the country. You understand? So, Bounty, me see what y'all try to do. But bro, you have to prayers for the people them, brother. Prayers. Remember, you know, some people they are dead for hunger right now, you know. So you have to pray for them, say, yo, them hold out and line up. Try to go do something or, you know, turn himself in a criminal and certain things. You understand? Yeah, man, but people, when you don't know, guidance, safe, bless upon yourself. Yeah, man, and prayers to you all. You see me? You don't know media facts. Yeah, man, you know what things said. That is it.